clips in your series.
Yeah.
Right. So where can people find your series? It's streaming right now.
Current book video is now live.
The solar system, so that will appear on Apple, I suppose.
Apple,
It's another place.
Start emergency recording.
Why would it?
Oh shit! Idiot! I can't stop here either.
Can I stop?
Yeah. Stop up here, stop up here. Fucking idiot.
Fuck me, you're not gonna stop, mate.
Shiny, but he doesn't like getting wet. And whenever he finds something that looks wet,
Shit.
is that car okay? What happened there?
I have a question. If I'm going 100 and my steering wheel's vibrating excessively, that is a concern, isn't it? Ah, fuck!
Are you okay?
No. My wheel just fell off.
Fuck, really?
It says that we'll get to your place at 8:02. Is that okay? Send. Done.
Useless.
I do bet you get over into it. Oh shit! It's a Triple O. Do you want to go over and see them? Oh, it's a dad. We're calling police now!
You have dialed emergency 000.
Emergency video.
What the fuck? Pull over! Pull over! going, he took my parking. Rude. Whoa. Yikes. Stop. Let me get away from him.
Yeah, you should definitely get away.
Oh, just a rubbish chute. Alright, garage. Oh!
Fucking hell.
We're all good, but we just
Holy
saw
shit.
an accident with that.
We're gonna have to pull over. I have dash cam. Mate,
We've got Dashcam.
I've got a dash cam of that whole thing.
Bro, what's your problem, man? What's your problem? It's recording everything, you know? What happened? What's your throwing? Fucking hell. What's your problem, man? It's recording everything, you know? Fucking hell, man. What's happened? Why you throwing, man? It's recording here. 1 ZB, 1 PP, 1 ZB.
Emergency 000. Your call is being connected.
I'm coming out of a driveway and you're in a fucking hurry, are you? You are a fucking dumb cunt. Cunts like you shouldn't even be on this fucking planet. Really? You want to wave your arms around, you stupid cunt? Really? Now look what you've done. Now you've gone and fucking wasted more time, you silly cunt. Is that what you are? You're one of them dumb cunts.
Yes, I am.
Aren't you? You're one of those fucking dumb cunts, aren't you?
I feel like it now.
Yeah, you are a fucking dumb cunt, aren't you? Is that what kind of man you are? Oh, look at you. You're coming out of a driveway. You're wasting my time. My valuable time. Is that the man you've become, eh?
I'm just a bit scared.
You don't need to be scared. Because I'm more of a man than you. I don't need to go and beat up dumb cunts.
Okay.
I'm just making sure you know, because you can still become a man before you fucking die.
Okay.
You fucking waste of space.
Okay.
Cheeky cunt. One day you'll get someone who's not in a good mood. In hospital, you're fucking weak. Fucking hurry, don't get cheeky, I'll come after you.